Yeah. What's up, guys? Yo, we're gonna do something real quick here that Jeremy's been bugging me about for a while. So we're gonna do some audio tips for the filters and OBS, and we're gonna get those done quick. I'm giving you 3 tips, 90 seconds, because I hate tutorials and I know you do too. Let's get to it. Let's go. First and foremost, what we do is we click the gear setting right there, hit filters, bada bing, bada boom, plus symbol. First one we'll hit is the compressor. Everybody needs a compressor. What a compressor does is it compresses your voice. It makes it sound crisp. It makes it sound clean. Default settings that are there, they work. I love them. Keep them like that. Number 2, plus symbol again. Noise gate. The noise gate helps kick out all the background BS that you don't want to hear. If you got kids screaming, you got dogs barking, you don't want none of that in there, go to that, okay? Open, close thresholds, what everything that it cuts out. Open thresholds where it lets it back in. Bada bing, bada boom. Third one is the noise suppression filter. Noise suppression filter, a little bit less than the noise gate. What that one is more straightforward. If it's not quite a whole lot of noise, just go with that one. Real straightforward, one knob, you just move back and forth. Bam. And because I'm a great human, what I'm gonna do is give you a 4th because I got time, because I'm great like that. Limiter, if you like to scream a lot, I like to scream a lot, take your limiter, throw it up to 3 decibels, right in that range, and that will prevent you from clipping. You're welcome.